So, you want to earn money with YouTube automation? I am the Artificial Professor and I will share the ultimate beginner's guide on how to earn $100,000 with YouTube automation in 2024. Let's get started. So, what's this new way of YouTube automation? It's called search-based channels. These channels make videos about subjects people search for daily. Instead of making videos about top 10, food, cooking, or luxury, we make videos like the easy way to delete your Facebook account or how to create an Instagram account. Why do I think search-based channels are the best YouTube automation channels for you to start with? In order to answer this question, I will compare a search-based channel to a normal cash cow channel. Search-based channels are super consistent views, very cheap to outsource, only $2 per video, it doesn't cost you a lot of time, and you don't need a specific niche, you can make videos about anything you want. On the other hand, a normal cash cow channel has inconsistent views, with costs around $50 per video, it takes a lot of time, and lastly, if you don't start in the right niche you are just burning money and wasting time. Keep watching because I will explain my secret strategy for guaranteed success. But first, we will look at an example channel. Processing Brains is a great example of a search-based channel. It focuses on search-based content and gets approximately 70,000 views per day. If we assume the RPM, revenue per thousand views, is around $4, it means the channel earns about $250 to $300 daily. What's interesting is that they didn't even upload for 3 months. This channel covers various topics like Google Chrome, Avast Antivirus, Facebook, Google, Instagram, and Discord. So, you see that this channel makes videos about all kinds of subjects. Now it's time to uncover my strategy. The strategy is to upload as many videos as possible. Besides that, we hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork to outsource the video creation. Stay tuned, because in a few minutes I will discuss how to do topic research. How many videos should you upload? I would say the more, the better. But it is okay to start with 2 videos a day. Uploading 2 videos a day is around 60 videos a month, $2 per video x 60 videos a month is around $120 to produce videos for 1 month. What is CPM and what is RPM? CPM stands for cost per mil, which means the cost per thousand advertisement impressions. If the CPM is $20, it means an advertiser pays $20 for every 1,000 times their ad is shown. RPM, on the other hand, stands for revenue per mil, which signifies how much you get paid per 1,000 views after YouTube takes its share. Each video has a different CPM because the audience for each video varies. For example, videos about Roblox might attract a younger audience who watches a lot of videos, while a video about something like how to create a LinkedIn account might target adults or business-minded individuals looking for a job. Videos in the latter category can earn more per 1,000 views because they have a higher CPM. Subjects you can make videos about are social media, crypto, e-commerce, websites. The list is endless. However, there are also some topics that you better cannot make videos about. Videos about paid software or paid membership that you can get for free with hacks or tricks are not allowed. For example, a video about how to get YouTube Premium for free is not allowed. Also, tutorials about how to hack people or how to hack someone's Instagram account are against the YouTube policy. Please do not make these videos because you can lose your account as a result. How to do topic research. This can be done in 2 ways. Method 1, the search bar method. For this method, you open YouTube, preferably in an incognito screen. You simply type "how to" an irrelevant keyword in the YouTube search bar. For example, how to create. Then, look for titles that haven't been used before and make them more eye-catching. For example, if you find how to create stunning Instagram stories on iPhone, you can make this video and add 2024 guide behind the original title to make your title unique. Now you can put your self-made title in a document and repeat the process. Another free tip. Just like create, other relevant keywords could be save, hide, make, transfer, and block. Method 2. Model what works. For this method, you simply go to a search-based channel. Then you want to look at recently uploaded videos that performed well, and you are gonna make these videos. Keep in mind to create your own unique titles. Eventually you put your titles in a document and repeat the process. Now, to create videos, you'll need help. I recommend hiring freelancers from countries like Pakistan or India, where wages are lower. To hire freelancers, go to platforms like Fiverr. Post a job, specifying that you need someone who can do voiceovers and video editing. You'll be surprised at the talent you can find. If you want to know how to create an account on Upwork and how to find freelancers for your job, have a look at my other videos. Once you've hired, you'll need to create videos and thumbnails. Use tools like Canva for thumbnails. Go to Canva and sign up. You can sign up with your Google account or your email. Now, let's create a thumbnail. Click on Create a Design and search YouTube thumbnail. Next, click on Elements and choose a square shape to start with. You can make it a bit bigger. Now, add the text for your video title. For example, if your video is about create stunning Instagram stories, you can write create stunning Instagram stories in white text. If you don't like the font style, you can change it by clicking on text and choosing a different font. You can also adjust the spacing between the letters by going to spacing and making it smaller. Next, click on Elements and search Instagram logo. Once you're satisfied with your thumbnail, click Download as a PNG file. To upload videos, go to YouTube Creator Studio. If you want to see how to create a new YouTube account, go watch my YouTube tutorials. In YouTube Studio, you can select a new video, fill in the details, and upload. You can schedule your uploads too. So, you've got your YouTube channel, video topics, freelancers, and uploads ready. Congratulations! You're on your way to starting your own successful YouTube automation business to earn more than $100,000 in 2024. For more videos, please subscribe to your Artificial Professor. If this video was helpful, please leave like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you on your YouTube automation journey. See you in the next video of the Artificial Professor.